I catch a op, I do him dirty, I ain't never letting up. Started beefing with my city, gotta keep that heater tucked. Nigga dissing but be bitches, I be quick and fuck the buzz. Catch him lacking, do him nasty, tell my niggas that's a must. Got DT up on my side, ready to put some shit up. Taking pictures, showing gun, nigga ain't no fear none.
All these niggas making disses, when the fuck you got like that, little bitch, you speaking on that business, gotta know your ass wet. Strike some Arthur, better watch the street, cause I ain't coming from them tracks. I heard Joe diss, that shit was wet. Don't make me creepin' all black.
Study smoking on Lil' Cam, bitch, we tired of smoking Ted. Heard that diss and grab them sticks and now I'm back up on they ass. That nigga a bitch, he ain't on shit, leave that pussy in the pad. Heard that diss and now I'm mad, put him in the body bag.
If you gon' rap to state the facts, you know my young nigga gon' crack. Got 24 up in the Glock and this is 23 at that. Cap niggas ain't never slid on shit, so why you put that in your rap? My dog had caught him at the light, and fat fuck thought he lost his life.
Free Nook.